Hi, this is Dr. Sam Spiron, a board-certified plastic surgeon in the Chicago area. Today we're going to talk about quite the shocker. The best diet for 2023 is once again the science-backed Mediterranean style of eating. Surprising, huh? Now you might think that I'm biased because I'm Greek, but I'm not the one voting on this. The gold medals just keep piling up. For the 6th year in a row, the Mediterranean style of eating earned the title of the best overall diet, according to the 2023 U.S. News & World Report. Meals from the sunny Mediterranean also ranked first in the categories of best diet for healthy eating and best plant-based diet. Yeah, it reduces the risk for diabetes, depression, dementia, high cholesterol, and breast cancer. The Mediterranean diet is more of an eating style than a restrictive kind of diet. And guess what? It's been linked to stronger bones, a healthier heart, and longer life. It features simple plant-based cooking, fruits and veggies, whole grains, nuts, and a very heavy emphasis, of course, on extra virgin olive oil. But there's more. Social interactions during eating and exercise are basic cornerstones of the Mediterranean style of living. Lifestyle changes like eating with friends and family are important, as are socializing over meals and enjoying your favorite foods. If you've never tried it, maybe you should. Science keeps telling us the same thing over and over. Maybe it's time we actually listened? I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please feel free to like and subscribe below, and have a wonderful day.